My name is Wavy. My father is Heinrich Hertz. Unfortunately, I've never seen him before. I guess you already know, but I'm a wave. I like to travel around through the air.
Okay. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Woo! Woo!
But I don't really get to know anyone because I travel too much and I don't get to talk to people on the street. One day, I plan on stopping and meeting up with someone. Hopefully, it is not one of those particle guys. I've heard they're losers.
Hi, my name is Patrick. I am a particle.
Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Don't
I
let
enjoy
go!
watching romantic movies because it allows me to become my own entity
Jack.
instead of as a group of particles. Everything in life is made of particles. Food, water, clothes, toys, and just about everything else. Don't get me wrong, I like being with other particles, but sometimes I like my alone time. But those wave guys, I would hate to be them. They're so lonely.
Oh, it's you.
What are you doing here? This is particle property.
I'm a wave. I don't obey laws.
You're on my property? You have to deal with me.
Well, going through you is pretty easy.
I am the foundation of the universe. Compounds, molecules, subatomic particles, and elementary particles. They're all my people.
Elementary particles are waves. My type of people.
Well, take these.
How dare you? I make the world as it seems. See that grass? That's green because of me. See the sky is blue because of me. And guess what? This gun is also because of me.
Everything you just said, all particles. That grass you just pointed to, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, phosphorus, all particles.
Don't you feel special? I'm more unique. I have no mass, yeah, I have momentum. P equals MV.
You can't be unique if you're dead.
Hold on. Waves, particles. You guys need to slow down, alright?
Who are you? And you assume our state?
I'm Louis de Broglie. And isn't it obvious?
Oh.
Bro.
What if I told you guys that elementary particles could exist as both waves as well as particles? In my theory, wave-particle duality, particles such as subatomic and elementary particles can exist as both waves as well as particles.
What?
Here, let me show you. Particle. You see this ball? If I drop it to the floor, it's going to bounce back up. See? Just like that. That's because it contains a mass. Now wave. Did you hear that sound when it bounced and it hit the floor? That wave travels throughout space, and then you hear it with your ears. Well, for small particles such as electrons, it's different. If one electron is shot out, it will travel through a wave through space, but it only land in a single spot. This makes sense because after all, only one electron was shot out. When the correct type of light is shone into a solid pure metal in a vacuum, its electrons will bounce off. This is called the photoelectric effect, and the energy of the electrons are equal to and directly proportional to the frequency of lambda. This supports how light can be a particle. However, if two particles, then two beams, cross each other, it would deflect some particles and then they would bounce away. Light experiences interference, just like normal waves do. This is why light is a good example of wave-particle duality. Does that make sense?
No.
Yeah. What? Done a film. Want some coffee?
Sure.